Good morning, dear students. Today we see heredity lesson. Topic is dihybrid cross and inheritance to genes and law of independent assortment. In last class, we saw about introduction of heredity and monohybrid. Okay. Dihybrid cross involves the inheritance of two pairs of contrasting characters. In monohybrid, Mendel took one character, that is height. Here, two characters are taking at the same time. Okay, the two pairs of contrasting characteristics chosen by the Mendel were shape and color of seed. Color of seed green and yellow, shape of seeds round and wrinkled, round sharp and wrinkled சுருக்கமாக இருக்கும். Okay, so Mendel crossed pea plants having round yellow seed with pea plants having wrinkled green seeds. The following observation are observed by Mendel. Mendel first crossed by pure breeding pea plants. I will explain in a Punnett square. Okay, flow chart. You see, this is a parent. This one is a parent. It's a round yellow seed. It's a dominant. It's a recessive, like male and female. Pure breeding wrinkled green seed. Okay, it's a rounded wrinkled surkamarka. So it's a parent, male and female. Okay. The male parents produce gamete. Capital R, capital Y. Capital R represented round. Capital Y represented yellow. Small r represented green. Small y wrinkled. Sorry. Small r wrinkled. Small y represented green color. Okay. So the produce RY gamete is a small RY gamete. Both are joined, produce capital R, small r, capital Y. So it is capital represented. So it is green. Sorry, round. So Y, capital Y also present is a yellow. So here green and wrinkled hidden by dominant or masked by. Okay, masked by round and yellow. Okay, so the R are self pollination. Other name, once again, here capital R, capital R, capital Y, small r, small I. Okay, both are produce gamete, capital Y, small I. So gametes. It's a joined self. Okay, capital R, capital Y, small y. Is a round yellow. So it's R Y I into R Y into Y. It produce R Y. Okay, R Y again R Y, small r, capital Y, small I. This is a gamete. Okay, so here you see capital R, capital Y, small r, capital R Y, small r Y. Okay, here also in monohybrid there are four young ones are produced. Here 16 young ones. Okay, you see 9 yellow round. Capital R, capital Y, capital R, capital Y. So capital R present means round. Small r, small I not taken. They are masked by dominant. Okay, you see 9 yellow round, 3 yellow wrinkled, 3 green round, 1 green wrinkled. So the dominant parents is a 9, recessive parent is a 1, but a new combinant is a 6. These three and this three is a new component. புதுசாக பிறக்கப்பட்ட குழந்தை. It's not like யாரும் மாதிரி இல்லை, like dominant parent or green parent. Okay, it's a new here result, new combination. Okay, two new combinations of traits with round green and wrinkled yellow appeared in the hybrid cross F2 generation. It's F2 generation. It's F2 generation. F2. Okay, so the ratio is hybrid cross phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1. Yes, this 9 is a dominant, this 9 is a recessive parent, both are pure. Okay, but these 6 are two new combinants. Okay, but genotypic ratio is 1:2:2:4:2:1:1:2:1. Okay, suppose you not understand means I will explain in class. Okay, this one. So 4 types of plants, a hybrid cross produced 4 types of F2 offspring, 9 with 2 dominant traits, 3 with 1 dominant, 1 recessive trait, 3 with another dominant trait. So another recessive, 1 is a 2 recessive trait. You see, these are 2 is a new component. It's a 9 parents. So 9:3:3:1. Okay. Then Mendel laws. Based on his experiment on monohybrid and hybrid cross, Mendel proposed 3 important laws which are now called as laws of heredity. First one, law of dominance. When 2 homozygous individuals with one or more set of constant characters are crossed, in monohybrid 1 character are crossed, but in dihybrid 2 characters are crossed. Okay, the characters that appear in the F1 hybrid are dominant. So you see, it's a dominant, it's a recessive, but here is a dominant only, that only law of dominance. Okay, so under recessive characters do not appear. In recessive character appear avale. So round yellow seed only, not green wrinkled seed. So the recessive character, 1 character or 2 characters are crossed, and the result produce young one. It look like dominant. So recessive characters do not appear. This is the law of dominant. Okay. The law of secretion or purity. When a pair of constructive factors or genes or allelomorphs are brought together, heterozygate or hybrid 2 members or allele pair remain together without mixing, and when gametes are formed, 2 separate out so that only 1 enters each. So heterozygate kalumbodhu each one is produce one gamete. Okay, the law of independent assortment. Independent separate. In case of independent 2 or more pairs of characters simultaneously, the factors or gene, the gene is called old name. The old name of gene is called factor. Okay, and one of pair of assort out independently of the other pair. ஒரு பேர் வந்து இண்டிபெண்ட்டாக இருக்கும், ஒரு பேர் டிபெண்டாக இருக்கும். அதுதான் law of assortment. Okay.